Hello everyone. In this video we're going to be taking a look at an article from NBC News. This was published on December 28th. It's from the Associated Press, and I find this completely vile and disgusting. I find it a travesty of justice, and I see it as activist judges trying to change how law is. Because, you know, a bitch gonna fucking do drugs and fuck her kid up, you know, she shouldn't be held responsible for being a bad fucking parent, for her abusing her child before the child was even out of the fucking womb. So, court rules mother's drug use in pregnancy isn't child abuse. How the fuck is that not child abuse? Oh, that's right, because they don't consider these days, and the unborn to be a child. Fucking assholes. Two justices who dissented say, what should matter is when the injury manifests itself, and that can be after the child is born. The injury's in the fucking womb. The kid's addicted to fucking drugs because of the mother. Real simple concept, you dumb fuck. You stupid fucking activist judge. The kid's in the womb. The kid was forced to take drugs by the mother. Became addicted to drugs in the womb. The injury is literally manifesting itself in the womb. But see, they don't want to admit that. They're literally trying to change law now. And what gets me at the end here is the mother's lawyer. And I'm going to warn you now, I might get a little bent out of shape when we get to the end of it. I mean, this is a short article. But I just wanted to cover this because I find this to be completely vile. So this is out of Harrisburg, Pennsylvania. So Pennsylvania's highest court says mothers who use illegal drugs while pregnant can't be considered perpetrators of child abuse against their newly born children under the state's child protection law. That had been what gets me is for years and years and years, that was perfectly fucking legal for them to charge them. It was a crime. But now all of a sudden, these activist fucking judges, oh no, no, that's not the case. Fucking assholes. It's like, because they don't give a shit about the unborn. They literally do not give a shit. You know, to them, they're not children. And it's twisted. It's vile. The court's main opinion issued Friday says the law definition of a child does not include fetus or unborn children, and says victims of perpetrators must be children. They are children. See, they're literally splitting fucking hairs. It doesn't say fetuses or unborn children. No, because they didn't think that stupid fucking activist judges would do stupid shit like this. This is so disgusting. I mean, as you can tell, this really pissed me off when I read this. I mean, I walked away from this before doing the video. I mean, I went and did some other videos and said I'll get back to this. I figured I'd calm down a bit. And I got right back to it. You know, when I got right back to it, it pissed me right the fuck off again. Yeah, I'm fucking just a bit perturbed with this. Just a little bit. It says the victims of perpetrators must be children. Yeah, they are children. You're just trying to slap unborn in front of it. Are they still, if they're not born, are they still a fucking child? Yes. Case, issue solved. Two justices who dissented say, what should matter is when the injury manifests itself, and that can be after the child is born. But in this case, it was when the child was in the fucking womb. They became addicted to drugs because of a fucking shitty, fucking drug-addled, addicted, fucking waste of space mother who gave more of a fucking care about getting their fix than their own fucking flesh and blood. This is I just want to sell. I just want to go off like I have fucking Tourette's right now. I'm kind of doing that anyways. The case involves a child who spent 19 days in Williamsport Hospital last year after birth being treated for drug dependence that caused severe withdrawal symptoms. Yes, the mother was a drug-addicted bitch. She fucking brought a drug-addicted child into the world, that child, bringing it into the world, and then, in the womb, you're bringing it into the world, and you get it fucking addicted to drugs. That's child abuse. That's bad parenting. She should have been fucking charged. But you see, the left, they don't want to, they're trying to whittle away at these legal decisions and legal interpretations about what a child is, because a lot of them think that you should be able to abort a baby the day before you're supposed to fucking deliver, and it's perfectly fucking fine. There's a reason half the country is against abortion, and it's fucking growing. Now, this right here, this last fucking sentence, this lawyer should be fucking bitch slapped in Minecraft. The mother's lawyer calls the decision a victory for public health and the rights of women and children. Excuse me, but when you get fucking pregnant, you sacrifice some of your rights for that unborn child. Number one. Number two, how is this a victory for the rights of the fucking child? How is this a victory? There's no victory for the rights of children here. Because now fucking drug-addled, addicted mothers can fucking hook their, mothers to be can get off scot-fucking free for getting their kids hooked on fucking drugs in the womb before they even, are outside of it breathing the fucking fresh air. This isn't a victory for public health either. Public health has nothing to do with this. This is about criminal law. There's no public health in this. I mean, this lawyer should literally be bitch slapped in fucking Minecraft. Oh my God. I look at this and I'm just, oh. I mean, this is what Democrat activist judges do. They literally reinterpret how a fucking law was written. Because at the time the law was written, the understanding is that the term child also included children in the womb. But now, it doesn't say unborn. It didn't need to, and it still does not need to now. Say unborn and unborn. But see, the left, they got to jump through all these fucking hoops. Well, they make everyone jump through all these fucking hoops, and they don't even follow their own goddamn rules. You know what? People need to fucking start standing up to this shit. I mean, these fucking judges, the one who said that shit about the unborn, they should be getting calls at their fucking office telling them what a fucking idiot they are. They should be getting, I'm not advocating, I don't believe in it. But imagine if this fucking judge got treated like Huckabee Sanders, with people fucking following and harassing, or Tucker Carlson, that type of shit. How do you think this judge would feel? The left gets outraged over stupid shit, made up shit, and like with Tucker, oh, he's a racist, so this, all that, or the other thing. Okay, and they pull fucking shit like they did. This judge literally reinterprets how a law was written, saying, okay, you can turn your babies into drug addicted, dependents on the state. It's okay. You're not going to be charged criminally because it's not a crime according to me. And no one fucking says shit. No one fucking, as you can tell, yeah. This really gets to me, and I'm just going off on a fucking rant at this point. But look at this. This literally just taking and saying, well, it doesn't say unborn or fetus. It never needed to because there was this standard interpretation that it was a child in the womb, fucking regardless. Anyway, I've covered this well enough. I'm going to leave this here because I'm going to end up just fuck, like I have Tourette's. So, like if I haven't, already sounded like that at this point. But anyway, like I said, I'm just going to leave things here. If you liked this video, depending on where you are watching it, please give it an upvote or thumbs up. If you want to know when new content of mine hits the internet, don't forget to subscribe to one or more of my social media or video accounts listed here. Also, with YouTube, don't forget to ring that bell. You can find all of my video content on both BitChute and YouTube. This may not be the case with other places I upload to, but I will try to minimize this happening. You are always welcome to interact with me at any of these sites on the list, so feel free to do so. If you have anything you want me to cover in a video when it comes to news or current events, send it right along to me. I will try to do my best to cover it. As always, thank you for watching.